Hello everyone, I'm Riswana Pervin, Assistant Professor of Department of Mathematics. So today we are going to see about the Gauss-Seidel method. So what is Gauss-Seidel method? The Gauss-Seidel method is an refined of Gauss-Jacobian method. As in Jacobian method, similar to Jacobian method is almost like I need to find using simultaneous equation. I'm going to convert the simultaneous equation to an to this format over here. You can see to this format. I'm going to convert it. Then I'm going to apply the iteration method using the initial values of x2, x3, and x up to xn. Use from the for the equation 1 and 2 and 3 or up to n terms. So proceeding like this, we find the first iteration values as x1, x2, x3 up to xn. In general, if the values of the variable in the rth iteration are given by in this format, then I can get the result. So the final format should be of this format. To have the same values, repeated values or same values, so that you can stop the iteration process, or that you can you need to continue the process until you get the same result. So let us solve a Gauss-Seidel method. So they have given a simultaneous equation over here. So coefficient matrix of the system of equation A equal to, we'll get a A matrix over here, right? So I'm getting using A matrix. I need to, you can interchange row and column so that you it is so easy to perform operation. So I have interchanged R1 to R2 and R2 to R3. So I'll get the result over like this. So as the corresponding system of equation is given by, that is system of like in the system of equation have written, the above system of equation can be rewritten as, I need to have only x value and y value and z value. So what I've done is over here, like 6y minus z will be over here. That is 85 minus 6y plus z. Then here 27 is there in multiple. So if it goes over there, it will be of division. So I'm gonna apply similar process to y and z. So and then now I'm gonna have this. If in case I want to have the value of x, so I'm assuming that if y and z value is 0, if I apply 0 over here and 0 over here, obviously I'll get the result as 85. X is equal to 85 divided by 27. So what is it? If you're using calculator, you can solve that. 85 divided by 27 is nothing but 3.1481. Now I'm putting x. Now I know the x value. Now, so I need to find the y and z value. So let us find the y value. Continue with z is equal to 0. So I have the x values as 3.1481 and z as 0. So I'm substituting this in equation 2. We get y is equal to 1 by 15. That is 40. Uh, 72 minus x into 3.1481. Minus 2 into 0 is nothing but 0. So I'll get the y value. So now I'm having y and x value. So it's so easy to find me z value. So I'm going to apply the y value and x value in this equation 3. So I'll get the result as 1.9132. So I'm going to continue this process of up to last term, like the term should be of same. Like I can continue this process. This is the second iteration process I have written over here. You can refer this. I can send a link over there so that you can refer. Like I'm continuing the same process. Like x is equal to x values can be found as 2.43 y2 using y and z value, because I have y value and z value, so I can get the x value. Now I'm having x value, so I'm using x value and the z value, which is already over here. I'm going to apply this one and I'll get the y value. Now I'm having y value and x value, so I'll get the z value. Now repeating the process, like I'm having y value. The y value is nothing but over here 3.572, and z value is over here 1.9258. Substituting in the equation 1, I'll get the x value. Using x and z value, the previous value, I'll get the y value, and using y and z, I'll get the x value. I need to do this process until I get the same result. I got over almost same. 2 point x value is what in 2 point. So here also I'm getting in the 2 point. 2.43. I got 2.42. If I continue on next process, I got 2.42. So it 4 to 5. I got over 5 over here and even if 5 over here. If I continue this process until the four terms are getting the same value. So thank you everyone for listening. I hope you understand.